We are getting ready to DC. Back to school shopping for senior year last year. You're gonna get us pulled over. You're gonna get us pulled over. Yeah.
I figure if I speed, the cop will clock me and not you. Probably clock you guys on my ass, so I felt like I had to speed up.
That's mean. All right. Look at this wonderful find right here. So, let's see. 19.5 for this charger right here. What is this? This is a full auto. Ooh, got all that. Dodge Charger 5.7 liter. Oh my god, I can't even. 2020 all-wheel drive Dodge Charger 5.7 liter Hemi, 19,000